Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In Australia, pet euthanasia can cost anywhere from $100 to $300 for the procedure itself, not including burial or cremation. The price for euthanasia itself can vary based on these factors: size of the pet. Larger animals may require higher doses of anesthesia. 17 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Can a vet refuse to put down a dog? Yes, your veterinarian can refuse to euthanize your perfectly healthy dog or refuse you service for any reason. If a veterinarian does start treating your dog, they must continue until your pet is stable enough to transfer to another hospital.
Take our lead.
Finally, the euthanasia solution is injected into your pet's vein, where it rapidly travels throughout the body. Within seconds, your dog will become unconscious, experiencing no pain or suffering. Breathing will slow down and then stop over the next several seconds. Cardiac arrest will soon follow, resulting in death. 26 February 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.